Wood finishing, the final step to any project. The uses are universal. It's to beautify, protect, preserve. Most finishes arrive to you in a can, and for decades we have become familiar with paints, varnishes, stains, dyes, all a messy situation in a can. Hard to keep clean and the lid secured, cans are not meant for the shop. They are cylinders after all, designed to stack in a warehouse. They're round to help flow down a production line, and all you want to do is add a pop of color or protect a crib. Sure, you can use a glass jar, but it doesn't help the taste of your favorite beverage after storing varnish. It's time to stop the loss with stop loss bags. Preserve the fresh off-the-shelf quality of wood finishes with the specially formulated 3-ply construction. Prevent the loss of precious solvents while the gas barrier inhibits oxygen penetration into the bag. Each bag holds 1 quart or 1 liter. Easy to open, easy to close. No more prying off lids or pounding them back on. Stop-loss bags now available at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop.